Is SIP the key to financial freedom for India's youth? In today's fast-paced world, financial freedom has become a buzzword among young Indians. It's trending across social media, fintech platforms, and career conversations. But what does it really mean, and can a systematic investment plan, SIP, help achieve it? Understanding financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't about luxury cars or lavish vacations. It's about reaching a stage where your investments generate enough income to cover essential expenses like food, rent, healthcare, and travel without relying on a paycheck. This kind of freedom empowers you to retire early, switch careers, start a business, work at your own pace without financial stress. SIP, a simple path to wealth creation. A systematic investment plan, SIP, allows you to invest a fixed amount in mutual funds every month. It's automated, low effort, and accessible even with just Rs 500 a month. Over time, thanks to market returns and the power of compounding, your money grows significantly. Let's break it down with an example. 5,000 rupees per month SIP for 30 years, starting at age 25, can grow to 1.5 to 2 crore, assuming 12 to 15% annual returns. Rupees 10,000 per month SIP could result in 3 to 4 crore by retirement. Starting at age 20 instead of 25 could multiply your wealth 2 to 3 times more even with the same monthly amount. This shows that starting early and staying consistent can lead to substantial financial growth. Are young Indians on the right track? The good news: young investors today are more financially aware than ever before. Millions of Demat accounts have been opened and SIP contributions are at record highs. Many are beginning their investment journeys early, a promising trend. The not-so-good news: despite the rise in investors, many are chasing quick profits through high-risk avenues like stock trading, crypto, and derivatives. These strategies often lead to losses, especially for beginners. Also, many discontinue their SIPs within 2 to 3 years due to impatience or market volatility. But SIPs are designed for long-term wealth creation, not short-term gains. Why SIPs matter more today? In the past, government jobs provided pensions and retirement security. Today, most private professionals work in private firms with no guaranteed post-retirement income. This shift makes personal financial planning essential. SIPs offer a low-risk, disciplined approach to building wealth over time, perfect for those who want to take control of their financial future. How to make SIPs work for you? If you're in your 20s or early 30s, now is the ideal time to start. Even a modest monthly investment can grow into lakhs or crores. Here's how to do it right. Start early. Time is your biggest asset. Stay consistent. Don't stop when markets dip. Be patient. Think in decades, not years. Scale gradually. Increase your SIP as your income grows. Final thoughts. Financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. SIPs offer a simple, effective way for young Indians to build wealth without needing large capital or deep financial expertise. So is SIP the way forward? Absolutely, if done right. Stay focused, avoid shortcuts, and trust the process. With discipline and time, financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a reachable goal. If you find our content valuable, we kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest videos.